Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting errors in your Whisper transcriptions. Let me show you how to reduce them on the free plan. First, use a larger model. The tiny and base models are fast but error prone. Run Whisper dash model medium for much better accuracy, especially with accents or background noise. Second, set your language explicitly. Add dash language N for English or dash language GH. For Chinese, auto detection sometimes fails on short audio clips. Third, pre-process your audio. Clean audio dramatically reduces errors. Run your file through a free noise remover like Audacity before transcribing. Remove background hum, fan noise, and echo. Fourth, use beam search instead of greedy decoding. Add dash beam size 5 to your command. This explores multiple possible transcriptions and picks the best one. Fifth, trim silence from the beginning and end of your file. Long silent pauses at the start can cause hallucination where Whisper makes up random words. Sixth, avoid overlapping speech. If multiple people talk at once, separate speakers by editing or re-recording when possible. Seventh, use post-processing. After transcription, use a find and replace script to fix common errors like technical terms or brand names that Whisper consistently gets wrong. Pro tip, for critical transcriptions, run the same file through two different models like base and medium, then compare the outputs. And that is it. Larger models, clean audio, and beam search will dramatically reduce your error rate. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.